Hello everyone, I am Orko, you are watching TechnoBroSA, and in today's video, I am going to talk about the latest upcoming smartphone from Realme, that is the Realme C12. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
Subscribe to TechnoBroSA and don't forget that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
So talking about its display, it is going to have an IPS LCD display with 6.52 inches of screen size with water drop notch, and it is going to have a Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the front. Now talking about its processor, it is going to have a MediaTek Helio G70 processor, which is a gaming processor. So if you want to buy this smartphone for gaming, then it is going to give you a smooth gaming experience. And its base variant is going to have 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 256GB. Now moving on to the camera specifications, it is going to have a quad camera setup where we will get to see 13MP of primary camera, 8MP of ultra wide lens, 2MP macro lens and 2MP depth sensor, and on the front it is going to have a 8MP selfie camera. And now talking about the most famous specification of this smartphone, that is the battery of this smartphone. It will have a 6000 mAh massive battery, but without any quick charging support. Yes, this is a disadvantage of this smartphone, but it will give you a good battery experience for up to 2 days with daily to average work. And now talking about the two most important segment, that is the launch date and the price of this product. So the product is expected to be launched by the end of August, and the price of this product is estimated to be somewhere around 8,000 rupees. This is the expected price, not the official price, but as soon as the official price and the specifications are released, I will inform to you guys. So stay tuned. Now talking about my opinion, why should you buy this smartphone and why should you not? So you can buy this smartphone because it is going to have a gaming chipset, that is a MediaTek Helio G70 chipset, which is a gaming chipset and which will give you a good gaming experience. So if you want a smooth gaming experience, then I can recommend you this smartphone. And also this is under 10,000 rupees. Also camera wise, I would not recommend this smartphone because its primary sensor is only of 13 megapixel, which is quite less. At least if it could have been at least 32MP, then this could have been a good smartphone or the best smartphone under 10,000 rupees. And now talking about its battery, this battery is quite massive, like 6000 mAh, which you can get at less than 10,000 rupees, which is quite impressive. But it does not have any quick charging support. It is a disadvantage, like while charging the smartphone it is going to take a lot of time, so this is also a disadvantage of this smartphone. So overall I would like to say that this is a good smartphone under the 10,000 rupees. So if you want to buy this smartphone, that is the Realme C12, then I can tell you that you can go for it. This is a good smartphone. So if you like this video, do drop a big fat thumbs up, and if you are new here, do subscribe to our channel TechnoBroSA to never miss any new daily tech update. So this was it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.
You